Yeah, don't know. I have a chick here. A chick trying to hatch out, and I'm not sure. Might hatch in my hands, but I'm just trying to take the tweezers and just a little bit at a time pull away. And I'm not really grabbing that membrane. I don't know if I did something wrong or what. They usually say you shouldn't help with little baby chicks, but you know, this is my first time hatching eggs incubator. And I tried to follow all of the rules because you know they've been doing that forever. But one of the things that can happen is that this little, I guess this white membrane, I know, I hear you, maybe get shrunk on the chick. I can't really move. So I had to be really careful. And not hurt the chick. Might hatch in my hands, you know, and I want to put it back in the incubator because I don't know, you don't want to spend so much time and energy and then you know, all that's gone because of something you did. So now y'all can't really see much here. Oh, you can't really see much. And I'm trying to do this in a timely manner. You see moving around in there. And you know, I was thinking, well, maybe, you know, I saw that there was kind of some space, you know. You don't want to hurt the chick's delicate skin. Right now I've had 2 baby chicks hatch. Oh, 2 baby chicks hatched already, and they're dry and they've moved off into the incubator. I mean, their little brooder. You see? So I'm not exactly sure what's going on. You know, but you know, they move around so much that they're gonna get tired, you know, and I guess you don't know until you do it, you know. And I don't want to pull any of the eggs still attached to the body, which can happen, I think, because the blood vessels aren't formed yet. I mean, aren't separated from the egg. So if there's any eggshell left on the baby chick, you kind of want to just leave it on there, kind of like an umbilical cord, and just let it dry off. Let it just dry off. I know. Don't want it to get too cold either. Really not sure what to do here. You know, I know the baby's like been trying to get out for some time. I know it cracked maybe last night, or maybe this, you can tell that this little white membrane is kind of tight. Like I said, folks, I'm really not sure. You know, I'm trying to It's like glue, I guess. I know I'm trying. I thought about putting it under the brooder with the other chicks. Maybe that it would hear the other chicks to help, you know, encourage it, you know. I mean, because, you know, I try to hatch this thing out. Maybe it's not supposed to be meant to be hatched. You know, maybe there's something wrong with it and it's gonna die anyway. But unless this is normal, what I can see here is kind of like this white membrane is just stuck on this chicken. I'm letting it move. And I would peel more on the back right here, but it seems to be kind of... I know, chick, I know. I know. I'm gonna pull all this white membrane out. Well, it's hard for y'all to see anything. I know, it's kind of weird holding a baby chick. Anyway, I had seen a video and they just used tweezers very carefully, just chipped away everything, but you can tell this chick is like, get me out of here. I'm trying. I'm just kind of focusing on taking the shell off because the membrane seems to be dried up. Seems to be dried up. As I hear it chirping, still a chance. Yeah, I can see this membrane right here. Oh, might have a baby chick hatch in my hands. Let's see this. This is so weird. Weird, and I'm like trembling because I'm like, oh, I don't want to kill it after so much energy and trying to get it to hatch. And I'm trying to keep it warm at the same time. You know, the incubator is set at 100 degrees. I think a hen's temperature when they're trying to hatch is somewhere between, oh, guys, somewhere between 99 and, I don't know, 104 or something. And they kind of, oh, I'm peeling this back. Peeling this back. And right there was a little bloody, and I'm not sure that's still attached. Alright, guys. Alright, I'm so trembling. Trying to get this little chick out. I think it's just a little wing. I'm not sure why it's bloody right there. It's kind of hard to see. Oh my gosh. Okay, so, wow. I'm like shaking. Oh, this little wing. I don't know if this is a girl or a boy. I'm trying so hard, I know. I know, I'm trying so hard. I'm trying so hard. I have no clue what I'm gonna come across. I don't know. It's their little wing. Some sort of black chick. No! Oh gosh! I'm trying not to. This is crazy, guys. Y'all can see how much more and more I'm shaking. Yeah, I'm not sure if this chicken would have hatched. This membrane is like dried like glue, and I'm sure me holding it out in the open air is not helping it at all. So now I kind of have a choice to make, you know. Wow. I'm trying. Oh, I don't know if it's going to survive, guys. I'm trying. Yeah. Oh. Oh gosh, guys. No clue. No clue, guys. No clue. No clue. It might be stressed out. I don't know. I can't even get this. Oh, you can see its eye. I'm trying. Oh, y'all can see this. I'm trying to keep it. The little feet are getting cold. I'm trying to get this one little piece of... Okay, look, I got it, guys. Okay. This piece of flap here. Piece of flap. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, this thing is hatching. Oh, I'm trying to get it. No clue what I'm doing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so shaky. Okay, I gotta try to get this off. I don't know if you can clearly see that, you know, because I'm trying to get this off so I can... Ah! Officially a chicken doctor. So, if they get that membrane off, maybe they can move around some more. Yeah, see the membrane. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, y'all. Okay. I'm gonna put it back in the incubator. Yeah, see, this membrane was totally stuck. Totally stuck. Well, it's not a naked neck. Tell you that, it's not a naked neck. It's not a naked neck. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm trying to get the... I'm not sure if, like, there's any more capillaries or little blood vessels. No, chip, 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 chip. Oh, okay, guys. Wow, okay, I think I got it all off. Just so the chicken can move around. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in the incubator. And, yeah, so all of that came off. So, okay, I'm putting it back in the incubator.